Picture yourself in the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Welcome to the top of the food chain. The Silverado 3500 HD rules the worksite and yet has the refinement to give you a ride that's quiet, smooth, and maneuverable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, lane departure warning, forged wheels, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner. Just go straight to the top. Get the truck with superlative strength and power. Drive the Silverado 3500 HD.